7-speed electronic blender. It has a 40-ounce glass carafe. The lid comes off really easy. You just pull it up, push it down. Also, this can move so that when you're blending, you can add extra ingredients like a vinaigrette. While the blender is running, you can add your oil right to the and it will emulsify for you. Blenders are great to have because they different functions. This one has lots of great features. Like I said, it's 7 speeds. It has a stir function, a chop function, mix, puree, pulse, so it can pulse on any speed. It has also called out an ice crush feature and has on and off. The other thing that's great about this is that when you remove the blender, you can put on food processor attachment. This is really great. You can use it to chop nuts. You can use it to do herbs. You can use it to make salsa. It's really, really useful. The other thing that's great is when you take the lid off and you use the chopping blade, you can put the stem adapter and you can slice and spread right into the food processor. One side is for slicing and the other side is for shredding. It's really, really useful. It has a 500-watt motor, has on and off, and like I mentioned, it has a called out food processor function, so it runs a specific speed of the food processor. Food processing is done at a much slower speed than food processing is done at about 17,000 RPM. It's actually designed to automatically step down to the right speed so you process your food perfectly. And there you have it, the Smart Power Blender by Cuisinart.
Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of pressure. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.